Do you have a need for rapid prototyping or product manufacture? Are you a professional specialist in need of enhancing your career to break down barriers and excel to new heights of success and well-being? Do you dream of building a better future for yourself or your business, but don't quite know which advanced manufacturing services are now available to you? At Collins Creations 3D, we can help solve all of these problems and more to get you where you want to be. At Collins Creations 3D, or CC3D for short, we bring 3D printing, 3D scanning and design consultation services to industries, businesses and individuals who can benefit from advanced manufacturing tools and methods by enhancing their performance, innovation potential and providing novel opportunities to thrive from. From our 3D printing hub, we provide all our clients with the means to manufacture, prototype and small batch mass produce their designs to help them achieve success and prosperity both locally and nationally. By harnessing additive manufacturing technologies, we hope to share our expertise, capabilities and passion for novel approaches to design and manufacture, and where possible, inspire others to embrace new opportunities, skills and knowledge. Incorporating 3D scanning with our 3D printing hub creates a harmony between two technologies that, when combined, provide limitless possibilities for our clients' imaginations to run free and develop new ideas and solutions to their problems. CC3D supports this newfound conceptual freedom with actual tangible results, whether this being increased sales opportunities, innovation to current, possibly inefficient, costly or outdated business models, or to find novel ways to help people directly. These benefits can be provided to individuals or even across an entire industry. 3D scanning captures our clients' 3D worlds so that we can apply this data towards a variety of applications, including engineering and prototyping, healthcare, providing enhanced novel experiences for special events and functions, or to create digital archives for heritage, arts, crafts and design projects. 3D scanning and 3D printing are but one side of the advanced manufacturing coin. Computer-aided design is fundamental when conceptualizing, designing and eventually manufacturing any project born from an individual's inspired mind or even that of an entire commercial enterprise. At CC3D, we know it can be hard to translate the imagination into reality, fiction into non-fiction, which is why we are happy to help those who have ideas and passions strong enough to transform the possible, not only into probable, but actual, acting as your conduit to success and mental liberation. We host face-to-face design consultation meetings for Cornish businesses and individuals, as well as indirect consultations for all UK residents and businesses. So let's work together to make your world, and indeed our world as a whole, a better and more exciting place to be. CC3D is based in Cornwall, at the Enterprise Space for Advanced Manufacturing, where we can comfortably host all local clients. We have close links with local education bodies, along with some unique industrial connections that we aim to support in future. To find out more, like and subscribe to our social media, visit our website or contact us directly at any of the links below. So whether you've got a design itch you can't scratch without our advanced manufacturing technologies, or you or your business is in need of some lateral support with a new idea or product launch, then think CC3D and get in touch. We are Collins Creations 3D, here to 3D print a better future for Cornwall and beyond. Join us.